Hello, baking stars. Let's make donuts. Those delicious rings of joy topped with chocolate and sprinkles irresistible. But forget the bakery, we're making them at home. It's easier than you think, I promise. Imagine biting into a fluffy donut, freshly made. You get a hit of chocolate, then sprinkles burst in your mouth. Heavenly. That can be your reality, my friend. Today, we unlock the secrets of perfect chocolate frosted donuts. Are you ready? Put on your apron and let's get started. This is going to be fun. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, they're all simple and easy to find. You probably already have most in your kitchen. We need flour, the base of our donuts, then sugar for sweetness and yeast, the essential ingredient that makes them rise. A pinch of salt balances the flavors, and eggs add richness. Milk brings everything together, and butter, well, butter makes everything better. For that irresistible chocolate glaze, we need icing sugar, cocoa powder, and a little milk. And of course, no donut is complete without sprinkles. Choose your favorites, rainbow chocolate or anything your heart desires. See, nothing intimidating here. Just simple ingredients for a truly special treat. Now comes the fun part, shaping our donuts. Once the dough has risen, gently roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Using a donut cutter or even just 2 round cookie cutters, cut out those classic donut shapes. Don't throw away the leftover dough. Simply gather, knead lightly, and roll it out again to make more donuts. Waste not, want not. Gently place the cut-out donuts on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now let them rest and rise for a little bit. This extra rise time ensures light and airy donuts. While the donuts are taking a little nap, let's make the chocolate glaze. Whisk together icing sugar, cocoa powder, and a little milk until smooth and glossy. You can adjust the thickness by adding more milk, a teaspoon at a time. Once the donuts are fried to golden perfection, let them cool slightly. Then, dip them into the chocolate glaze, ensuring they're fully coated. Don't be shy. Let the excess drip off. Now, while the glaze is still wet, sprinkle generously with your chosen toppings. And voila! Your very own homemade chocolate frosted donuts are ready to be devoured. They'll be soft, fluffy, and bursting with chocolatey goodness. Every bite is a testament to your baking prowess. Enjoy them warm, share them with loved ones, or keep them all to yourself. You've earned it. Happy baking!